Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are coloring and drawing these 2D shapes like square, rectangle, heart, circle, oval shape, triangle, diamond and star. So watch complete video, don't go anywhere. प्यारे बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम 2D शेप्स ड्रा कर रहे हैं। आप पूरी वीडियो देखें और मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करें, आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आइए शुरू करते हैं। ब्लैक कलर, स्क्वायर, दिस इज स्क्वायर and this is oval shape. We are drawing oval shape. Oval shape. Let's draw another 2D shape. This is rectangle. And this is triangle. Let's draw diamond shape. This is heart. Circle. This is circle and let's draw the star. क्या है बच्चों? This is a star. Super easy, you can also draw like this. Let's color these 2D shapes. Pink color, pink color square, light green color rectangle, heart, red color, this is red color circle, brown color, brown color oval shape, violet color, violet color triangle, purple color, purple color diamond, dark green color, dark green color star. Wow, we have drawn all these 2D shapes and colors them. Pink color square, rectangle, light green color, yellow color heart, red color circle, dark brown color oval shape, violet color triangle, purple color diamond and dark green color star. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.